Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a record Rolf medal. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, beat together 230 grams of butter and 220 grams of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Slowly add 440 grams of flour. Form a soft dough. Wrap in cling film and place in the fridge for an hour or two just to firm up. Roll out and cut out heart shapes. Take a straw and create a circle in the heart. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Add 2 large egg whites. Mix until foamy. Then gradually add 4 cups of icing sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I add the clear vanilla essence. If your mixture is a bit too thick like mine was, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water just to thin it out a bit. Spoon the mixture into 5 bowls. Color the mixture blue, red, pink, and yellow. Starting with a border of white, then filling that border in with blue, smooth it out. A good tip that I learned with smoothing out icing is to just dampen your finger a bit with water and just dab a little on the icing. Next you want to write hero. Then on the tops of the hearts you want to dot red, pink and yellow. Thread ribbon through the hole you created earlier. And tada! You have Record Rolf medals.